After being one of the leading entertainment streaming giants been in the world, Disney thought, why keep the sports out of it? Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. Disney Plus has grabbed global streaming rights for the ABB FIA Formula E World Championship races, which means the platform will be home to official events in more than 140 territories throughout the world. Like in America, races will stream on both Disney Plus and ESPN Plus. According to sources, this deal also allows the racing leagues to maintain local broadcast TV packs in certain markets. The partnership will start showing the races with the start of 2026 to 2027 season. The streamer has plans to air 21 rounds across 13 racing events, starting on December 18th in Saudi Arabia. Other tour stops include Miami, Monaco, and Mexico City. For those who have no idea what Formula E is about, know that it's a racing league that uses electric vehicles. It's been around since 2014 and has steadily been increasing in popularity. Before Disney Plus was in the picture, Roku has been the primary home for Formula E events, with the company even making a documentary series to highlight the league. It looks like that partnership is coming to a close, and the steering has been handed to Disney Plus now. Apart from Formula E, the Formula One League has taken a different approach to streaming. It recently ended a collaboration with Disney's ESPN and paired up with Apple for official US broadcasting rights. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.